In reference to making your hair fuller in a way that keeps your hair safe and growing, can you fill in a small area for now and later fill in a larger area? With this technology, yes, it's true. You can actually just fill in a small area and at a later date have additional microstrands customized, add to the existing microstrand to fill in then a larger area without getting it all over again. So you won't be inconvenienced. You'll be able to fill in one area for now, wear it, keep it blended between your own hair, and at a later date, if you want to extend it into filling in more of an area, you can still do that. Now, I'm speaking to individuals that have thinning hair that want to make their hair fuller to any degree. You can make your hair fuller 5%, 10%, 100%, whatever you want. And I'm also talking to hair professionals that should be offering this technology. A quick summary, microstrand invention. Upon contact of the skin or the scalp, it disappears. One hair at a time added onto this becomes this is one of many examples. When that's blended between your client's or your own hair, it disappears. You have a perfectly natural head of hair that you can run your fingers through and get right down to your scalp and do anything with your hair, okay? But another key thing about this is if you have clients or if you're an individual and you just want to fill in a little area and at a later date fill in more areas, you can do that while you're wearing hair filled in one area, later fill in more hair in another area. Now, if you're an individual, you should, in fact, click the button below and schedule either phone or video call. Reason? You want to find out how this works for you because every individual is different. If you're a hair professional, there's a great opportunity. We want to make this technology available worldwide to everybody. And you as a hair professional can make that happen by offering this technology. And we're offering something special to hair professionals. And even if you're an individual, tell your hairdresser about this. Share this video, okay? Get another video that explains all the details or framework of the details, all right? Because there's a lot of very advanced benefits that only come with the microstrand technology, okay? So if you're a hairdresser, we are offering a free personalized website. It's a website that will have a video explaining all about this technology to your clients, and it'll be personalized with your name and your contact information so you can test it. What I mean by test it is take that website, it's your website with your name and your contact information, share it with clients, share it on your social media, see what kind of reaction you get. You're gonna get a lot of clients that need your help. And this website at this time, for a limited time, to a limited number of hair professionals, we're giving it away free along with a 1-hour training with it. So all you have to do, if you're a hair professional, click the button below and get your free website and free training. If you're an individual, click the button below and definitely schedule a video call or a regular call or tell your hairdresser about it.